Let's make epic deep techno. First, let's set the tempo to 126 BPM and start with a soft kick from my sample pack. I'll take down some of the highs from the kick. Then we need some really short open hi-hats. After the first 8 bars, let's add some closed hi-hats. Now, to make these hi-hats more interesting, let's use a parallel channel to add some delay to them. And let's pan the delay like this. And let's also automate this. After another 8 bars, let's add some shakers. This is not from a sample pack. And after another 16 bars at the second half of the drop, let's add some claps. And some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now to build atmosphere to the track, we're going to be using several elements. The first one is an ambience bed like this. Let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Take down the lows. And add some vintage color. And some noise shots. I'll add some delay and boost the highs. Moving on to the bass, first we need a rumble bass. For that, let's use a parallel channel to the kick and add reverb with 100%. Take down the highs and link this to a sidechain channel. The next one is a deep bass like this. Let's sidechain this. And since we got the lows covered with the rumble, let's dip the lows from this. And add some slight reverb with quick delay. Now to make this sound deeper, let's use a parallel channel to add some slight delay. After the first 24 bars, we need a repetitive synth. I'll sidechain this and take down the lows. Let's also add another layer to this. I'll sidechain this and add supermassive to give some space to the sound. And take down the lows. Let's also pan these two sounds to make them wider. Now we need a simple and deep lead. Let's add some space to this. And on a parallel channel, let's add some reverb. And pan the reverb across like this. And let's also use the cutoff filter to introduce it up to the second half of the drop like this. We can further improve the sound by automating the cutoff within Serum like this. At the last 16 bars of the drum, let's add some pads. Now since the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the ambience bit and some noise shots. And let's add the bass after 8 bars. At the next 8 bars, let's add the open hi-hats. I'll keep the build-up real simple by just adding some risers. And some downlifters. Let's sidechain this to make it more interesting. Now let's duplicate this and change things around at the second half. Let's also add another synth at the second half of the second drop. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.